Hey guys, this is Thomas, and welcome back to my channel. Better Mindset, Better Life. In today's video, I will continue to share what benefits can Canadians apply in this challenging time. I will share updates about the Canada Emergency Response Benefit from last time, along with other response plans to small business owners. I will break it down into 3 sections. Number 1 is the update on the CERB. Number 2 is the Canada Emergency Business Accounts for Small Business. And number 3 is the Canada Emergency Wage Subsidy. Make sure you stay till the end of this video. Oh, and by the way, I've attached a link down below if you're looking for strategies to protect your finance. Check it out when you're done with this video. 2 weeks ago, I mentioned about the CERB to the people who lost their income due to the COVID-19. You will get $2,000 for every 4 weeks up until 16 weeks. Now, the Canadian government expanded the benefits to more Canadians. Instead of 0 income in the past 14 days, now they relaxed the rule to $1,000 or less. So more part-time workers, seasonal workers, or people who almost finished their employment insurance can apply for the CERB. The rules are the same as before. You need to have your CRA account ready and look at the month that you are born and apply on the state accordingly. The rest should be similar. Feel free to check my previous video for detail. This is a big one if you're a small business owner. The Canadian government is providing interest-free loan up to $40,000 to small business owners and to non-profit organizations. The program is to help covering the operating costs during a period where the revenue has been reduced. The loan is interest-free with no minimum monthly payments until the end of year 2022. And if you repay all the $40,000 back to the government by the end of year 2022, you do not need to repay 25% of the loan back, which is $10,000. Any balance after 2022, the loan will be converted into a 3-year term loan at an interest rate of 5%, which means principal plus interest together in a 3-year term. Instead of going to CRA to apply, you will go to the bank to apply for the loan. The bank should have the platform set up already. If you have online access, it will make the process very simple. You need to declare how much you pay in employment income in 2019 and type in your employer account number, which is a 15-character long. Couple things you need to declare before you also qualify for the loan. Your business needs to operate before March 1st, 2020. Your business has a federal tax registration and have an active business checking account with the banks. And you can only apply once through one bank only. The next 2 are important. You have someone in your payroll in 2019 between $20,000 and $1.5 million. And the loan's intention is to continue to operate or to resume the business, which means you are not using the money to buy a car, for example. Keep in mind that you do not have to prove anything at the time that you applied, but if CRA finds out and you cannot justify it, you might need to repay everything back plus another 125% as penalty, and you could be thrown into jail. The other one is the Canada Emergency Wage Subsidy. It helps the employer to pay employee up to 75% for 3 months up until June 2020. The employer needs to declare that the business revenue has taken hits for 15% in the first month, then 30% in the following 2 months in order to qualify the 75% wage subsidy. For example, if your company ABC's revenue is at $100,000 for both January and February 2020, starting in March 15, the company's revenue dropped to $85,000, and by April and May, it dropped to $70,000 in revenue. Then, ABC company can qualify for a subsidy. This gets a little more complicated as more details need to be announced. Please consult with your payroll or accounting specialist. There are other subsidies and deferments by the government and other financial institutions. For example, you can defer filing the income tax returns for individuals until June 1st, 2020. For mortgage payments, you can defer up to 6 months if you're qualified. Please check the details with the bank. Most of the life insurance companies out there are giving 90 days premium holiday to the insurance plan that you have. You can check with your insurance advisor. It's great that the Canadian government is responding quick to the health situation. This does give us a breathing room, but it's not going to be enough if you don't start planning. Please recheck your finance and plan accordingly. I hope this video helps you a bit. If you like this video, make sure you click the subscribe button with the notification on so more people can watch this. Or you can also leave a comment with your questions here and we can all help each other out. This is Thomas. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.